Today, I'll walk you through how to enable and use Azure Maps and the filled map visual in Power BI, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to activate these powerful mapping tools so you can visualize your data in a more impactful way. Let's get started by opening your Power BI dashboard. If you're not sure where to find it, just look for the application icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. This is where all your data visualization magic begins. Once you have your dashboard open, navigate to the top left corner of the screen. Here you'll see the menu options. Click on File, and then move down to Options and Settings. This is where we'll make the necessary adjustments to enable the mapping features. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps will still be similar. Next, in the drop-down menu, select Options. This will open a new window with various settings you can customize. Now, under the Global section on the left side of this window, click on Security. This is where we can manage the security settings related to visualizations. In the Map and Filled Map Visuals section, you will see an option labeled Use Map and Filled Map Visuals. Make sure to check the box next to this option. This step is crucial for enabling the Azure Maps feature. Once you've done that, click OK to save your changes. Now here's an important step. You will need to restart Power BI Desktop for the changes to take effect. So go ahead and close the application and then reopen it. This is similar to rebooting your computer to ensure all updates are applied. It's a simple yet effective step. Once Power BI is back up, you will be ready to start using Azure Maps and the Filled Map Visual. These tools will allow you to create stunning geographical representations of your data, making it easier to analyze trends and patterns. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.